Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your trusted source for expert advice on transforming your living spaces. Today, we're stepping outside to explore a timeless and increasingly popular addition to any property, the wooden gazebo design. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Often seen as a charming garden feature, a wooden gazebo is far more than just an aesthetic enhancement. It's an investment in lifestyle, comfort, and the intrinsic value of your home. Let's begin by defining precisely what we mean when we discuss wooden gazebo design. A wooden gazebo, at its core, is a freestanding, open-sided or partially open structure, typically octagonal, hexagonal, or round in shape, featuring a solid roof supported by pillars or columns. Its primary construction material is wood, which offers unparalleled versatility, natural beauty, and a rustic charm that synthetic materials struggle to replicate. The term design in this context encompasses not only the architectural style and structural elements but also the material choices, the size and scale relative to its surroundings, and its intended function within your outdoor living space. It's about crafting an architectural focal point that integrates seamlessly with your garden or yard, providing shelter, a designated area for relaxation, entertainment, or even quiet contemplation. Unlike a pergola, which often features an open slatted roof for partial shade, a gazebo provides substantial overhead protection from the elements, making it a truly functional outdoor room. Now, let's delve into the substantial benefits of opting for a wooden gazebo design, a decision that yields significant returns on your outdoor living investment. Firstly, the aesthetic appeal of wood is undeniable. Its natural grains, varied hues, and organic textures contribute to a warm, inviting, and inherently beautiful structure that enhances any landscape. Wood offers a timeless elegance that complements diverse architectural styles, from traditional to contemporary. Secondly, durability and longevity are key advantages. When properly constructed, treated, and maintained, a high-quality wooden gazebo can last for decades. Woods such as cedar, redwood, teak, and pressure-treated pine are naturally resistant to decay, insects, and the rigors of weather, ensuring your investment stands the test of time. Thirdly, versatility in design is a significant benefit. Wood is an incredibly malleable material, allowing for a vast array of architectural styles, intricate detailing, and custom modifications. Whether you envision a classic Victorian gazebo with elaborate railings, a rustic log cabin style, or a sleek, modern structure with clean lines, wood can accommodate your vision. This adaptability ensures that your gazebo can be truly unique and reflective of your personal taste. Fourthly, a wooden gazebo significantly increases property value. It's not just an amenity, it's a permanent fixture that adds functional living space and enhances the overall appeal of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers should you ever decide to sell. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, a wooden gazebo enhances your lifestyle. It provides a dedicated, sheltered outdoor sanctuary where you can escape the sun's harsh rays or unexpected rain showers. It becomes an ideal spot for outdoor dining, entertaining guests, reading a book, enjoying a morning coffee, or simply unwinding amidst the beauty of your garden. It effectively extends your usable living space, blurring the lines between indoor comfort and the tranquility of nature. Once your beautiful wooden gazebo is in place, the exciting part begins. Decorating it to truly bring out its character and functionality. The key to successful decoration lies in balancing aesthetics with practicality, creating a space that is both visually appealing and comfortable. Consider the flooring first. While the base of your gazebo might be concrete or pavers, adding outdoor rugs can instantly define the space, add warmth, and introduce color and texture. Choose weather-resistant materials that are easy to clean. Next, focus on seating and comfort. Depending on the size of your gazebo, options range from a full outdoor dining set to comfortable lounge chairs, a swing, or even a daybed for ultimate relaxation. Cushions and throw pillows made from outdoor fabrics are essential for comfort and can introduce pops of color and pattern. Finally, bring in greenery and natural elements to further integrate your gazebo with its surroundings. Potted plants, hanging baskets, climbing vines trained up the pillars, or even a small water feature can enhance the natural beauty and create a serene environment. Consider outdoor-friendly decor items like decorative sculptures, wind chimes, or weather-resistant artwork. The goal is to make it feel like an extension of your home, a comfortable and inviting outdoor room. When selecting items to furnish and adorn your wooden gazebo, the focus should be on durability, functionality, and aesthetic harmony with the natural wood material. The best items will not only enhance the look but also withstand outdoor conditions and contribute to a comfortable and enjoyable experience. High on the list are weather-resistant furniture pieces. This includes dining sets crafted from materials like teak, cedar, or all-weather wicker, or comfortable lounge seating with quick-drying cushions. Durability is paramount to ensure your furniture lasts through various seasons without significant deterioration. Outdoor lighting solutions are absolutely essential. This could range from decorative string lights and solar-powered lanterns for ambient glow, to more functional overhead fixtures for task lighting. The right lighting can transform the gazebo into a magical evening retreat. Textiles specifically designed for outdoor use are crucial. Think about outdoor rugs that resist fading and mildew, decorative throw pillows made from sun and water-resistant fabrics, and outdoor curtains that can be easily cleaned. These elements add softness, color, and comfort. For enhanced comfort and aesthetic appeal, consider portable heating or cooling elements. In cooler climates or evenings, a patio heater or fire pit, used safely and with proper ventilation, can extend the usability of your gazebo. In warmer climates, an outdoor fan can provide a refreshing breeze. Finally, natural decor elements truly shine in a wooden gazebo. This includes a variety of potted plants, hanging baskets, or even small herb gardens that bring life and freshness into the space. Decorative items made from natural materials like stone, ceramic, or woven fibers complement the wood beautifully. Consider adding a small water fountain for soothing sounds, or comfortable hammocks or swings for ultimate relaxation. The aim is to create an outdoor oasis that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, using items that are built to endure and enhance the natural beauty of the wooden structure. Now, let's explore 10 inspiring wooden gazebo design ideas, offering a spectrum of styles and functionalities to spark your imagination for your own outdoor sanctuary. One, classic Victorian gazebo. This design features intricate gingerbread trim, delicate railings, and a multi-tiered roof, often topped with a finial. It evokes a sense of romantic elegance and is perfect for a traditional garden setting, providing a charming focal point for quiet contemplation or intimate gatherings. 2. Rustic log cabin gazebo. Constructed from rough-hewn logs or timber, this style embraces a natural, rugged aesthetic. It often features simpler lines, a sturdy roof, and sometimes a stone or gravel floor. Ideal for a woodland property or a lakeside retreat, it offers a cozy, back-to-nature feel. 3. Modern minimalist gazebo. Characterized by clean lines, geometric shapes, and a focus on natural wood finishes, this design eschews ornate details. It often features an open framework, perhaps with a flat or subtly sloped roof. Perfect for contemporary homes, it provides a sleek, sophisticated outdoor lounge area. 4. Japanese tea house gazebo. Inspired by traditional Japanese architecture, this design emphasizes simplicity, harmony with nature, and often includes features like sliding shoji screens or latticework. It's ideal for creating a serene meditation space or a unique spot for quiet tea ceremonies. 5. Pergola-style gazebo hybrid. This innovative design combines the solid roof of a gazebo with the open side structure, or partially slatted roof sections, common in pergolas. It offers partial shade while still providing significant protection, making it versatile for various weather conditions and suitable for a relaxed, open-air feel. 6. Screened gazebo. For those in areas with persistent insects or seeking complete privacy, a screened wooden gazebo is an excellent choice. It features a solid wood frame with screened walls, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors bug-free. Perfect for outdoor dining or an evening relaxation spot. 7. Poolside Retreat Gazebo. Positioned strategically near a swimming pool, this gazebo serves as a luxurious outdoor lounge. It might feature comfortable daybeds, outdoor showers, or even a small bar area. Materials are often chosen for their water resistance and ability to withstand sun exposure. 8. Kitchen and Dining Gazebo. Transform your gazebo into an outdoor culinary hub. This design incorporates space for a barbecue grill, counter space, and a dining table, making it ideal for al fresco dining and entertaining. Durable, easy-to-clean surfaces and ample lighting are key. 9. Garden Alcove Gazebo. A smaller, more intimate gazebo designed to fit seamlessly into a lush garden setting. It might feature built-in seating, climbing plants growing up its pillars, and a tranquil atmosphere. Perfect for reading, meditation, or simply enjoying the beauty of your garden. 10. Deck Integrated Gazebo. Rather than being freestanding, this gazebo is built directly onto an existing deck or patio, creating a seamless extension of your indoor living space. This design offers a cohesive look and often includes features like built-in benches or privacy screens, maximizing the usability of your outdoor area. As we've explored today, a wooden gazebo is far more than just a garden accessory. It's a strategic enhancement to your property and your quality of life. From its inherent beauty and remarkable durability to its incredible versatility in design and its capacity to create a truly personalized outdoor sanctuary, the benefits are undeniable. By carefully considering the design, thoughtful decoration, and the right selection of items, you can transform your backyard into an inviting extension of your home, a place where memories are made and relaxation thrives. Investing in a wooden gazebo is investing in comfort, style, and the joy of outdoor living. If you found this video insightful and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert tips and creative ideas to beautify your home, inside and out. We love hearing from you, so share your favorite wooden gazebo design ideas or any questions you have in the comments section below.